Hi, Gundam fans! I have not done this in quite a long time, quite a few years, in fact, of reviewing any products. But as you can see, today we're going to review an older kit, a few years old, but I finally got around to getting one as well as building it. I got this off of Newtype HQ. Surprisingly, they had really fast shipping, and thanks, guys. Shout out to Newtype HQ. I will put a link to their website down below in the description. Okay, so as you can see, it is the Wing Gundam Zero E.W from Endless Waltz, the real grade version. And I have managed to put it together. 90s kit, it is, a Gundam from the 90s. They were about to be pretty small in size. So, as you can see, I had panel lined some areas and added the decals. Attached are the twin buster rifles. As for the accessories, you get a total of 4 pairs of hands, 2 fist hands, 2 open hands, 2 trigger finger hands, which are currently on the kit itself holding the twin buster rifles, and 2 articulated real grade hands. I do not particularly like these, but they are pretty good for focus. There we go. They're pretty good holding the beam sabers. A term by Mecha Guy Kotsu, um, in regard to the real grade line. This is one of the early kits, so um, early real grade syndrome, which means in his terms that the inner frame is good, but it will get loose over time, and a lot of problems with the early real grades, from what I understand, is that the hands are pretty loose. But I did find out a way how to tighten up the ball joints on for the wrist areas, and that is to focus. You could add on some paint, uh, black or gray acrylic paint, and it'll be nice and tight for the peg holes. Refocusing there. All right, let's get on with the articulation. So here on the arms up top at the shoulders, they can swivel. Oh, they can swivel out that much. I will only go through one arm at a time, or just one arm on one side. The arms can rotate all the way around. Do not take off the shoulder armor. My mistake there. You can go all the way around. This is my problem with this kit, even the Wing Gundam E.W. The shoulders pop off a lot. That's my biggest gripe with those two kits. I have built the Wing Gundam E.W as well. I will probably do that review in a couple weeks. Shoulder joints. Shoulders can fully rotate. You get a very nice double I have lost my wording. Double elbow joint there. That's the word. There we go. A swivel. For the side skirts, they go out that far out, not much. The front skirt armor can go that much, but I'm afraid that it will pop off the connection point here. Leg can go up that far out, this far to the side, and this far to the back, but due to the back skirt armor, it won't go that far. Very nice double knee joint right there. And I really do like the moving kneecap. Toes can bend down this far. Well, the foot can go down that far, and we get some toe articulation there, as well as the ankle armor can go out up and down like this. The back of the ankle armor has a bit of a swivel to it, and the foot itself cannot really rotate. That's the downside. Putting this back on. Oh, also, the torso can go side to side. It can only turn that much. Ab crunch, it can pretty much go down that far, not much back. Putting the shoulder armor back on, and if we focus on here, on the shoulder cannons, they can open up. I have gone ahead and added some silver paint to the barrels of the Vulcans so that detail can be have a easier time being seen. As much as I want to try opening the cockpit, I will not because I'm afraid it'll just pull off. Well, I'll end up pulling off the entire thing. Another downside to this kit, because with the wings on it, it will be very back heavy and this whole entire backpack will just fall off the kit. So I have gone ahead and super glued the backpack to the kit itself. Going over the wings, this is my favorite part of the kit, the wings, because they are very nice. Very tedious though in terms of the build, but these are the front wings. They can open and close. Not much surface detail, but pretty good. And the wings for the back, they also carry the beam sabers in here. They're on a swiveling joint. They can go out this far out, and with pulling on this, the wing will open. Oh, I also forgot about the little, very tiny, let's focus in here for a sec, really tiny Hiroyoi figure. Dressed in his denim jeans, and I can't tell if it's the Preventer Wind jacket or a blue jacket that he wears in the movie, so I couldn't really make out the details, so I just painted the jacket blue. And in a nutshell, that was the real grade Wing Gundam Zero Endless Waltz version. Um, this is my third build of a real grade kit. I will be receiving another next week. It's one of the newer ones, so it wouldn't have much of the early real grade problems that the line has had. I also have the real grade New Gundam and the real grade Wing Gundam E.W. So I will be reviewing those as well. Thank you guys. That was the review. Have a good weekend.